How much did YouTube pay me as a small YouTuber for a video with 40,000 views? Incoming Success, the channel where we learn how to start and grow a profitable online business with social media. Let's go. Hi everyone, I'm Lydia. Welcome to the video. At the moment of filming this video, I'm at almost 4K subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I have a few videos that surpassed 40,000 views, I think 2 exactly. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about this video of mine about Instagram product tagging that has a little over 40,000 views, and we're gonna go through the analytics, see how much that video earned me, and I'm also going to go through the analytics of a similar video to that one so we can see how much that paid me compared to this one, how the CPM fluctuated, and all of that. So I got monetized on November 22nd of 2019 to be specific, and this video that I'm talking about was posted on the 7th of January 2020. So obviously it has been live for the entire period that I was monetized, and we are good to go and look at the analytics. So here we are in my YouTube studio. I'm going to go to that specific video. So I'm going to go to videos and I'm going to go research that specific video and those analytics for it. So in 4 months that this video has been up, as of right now, this video has 41,000 views and 1.9k watch hours. It gained me over 500 subscribers, and the revenue since published was $253.43. So this is how much YouTube pay me for my 40k viewed video. Now, one thing you should know about this video is that it has less than 10 minutes. So my bad for not creating a 10-minute long video so I could add more ads in it. I'll also create a video about that soon, about if I add more ads in my video, would be people be mad about it, or if it will increase my revenue. So stay tuned for that and subscribe to my channel. But this video since published $253 in total. So in 4 months, but for the amount of views, I think that's pretty good. But we're gonna take a look at more revenue stats and see how much this video was earning in the beginning and when did it start getting all those views and all of that. I really want to see more stats about the revenue, so let's look at the reach first. It had a lot of impressions. But the impressions click-through rate is pretty good, a good amount of views. Most of them were found in YouTube search and suggested, browse, external, and so on. So the playback based CPM for this video is $14, but I'm going to see how that fluctuated in time. So the estimated monetized playbacks for this video was only 32,000. So even if the video got 41,000 views until now, the amount that I was paid for was only these 32,000.7 monetized playback. And if we take a look at the revenue of this video since it was posted, it got me 22 cents, 3 cents, oh my goodness, 2 cents. Really low income for about 2 months since it has been posted. It didn't even get me $1 per day. Then in 1 day it made me $8, and then it fluctuated $2, $3, $4, and now it's kind of at 5 per day, 3, 2. So it kind of fluctuates all the time. And then let's look at the monetized playbacks. In the beginning I got very little per day, and now more recently it gets me 500, 400, 600 per day of monetized playback. So the amount of times an ad is shown up to a viewer. Then let's take a look at the CPM and how that fluctuated in time. So in the beginning the CPM was $14, then 24, then 7, and as you can see there's this day that it has been $85. What? $85 for the specific video on Thursday, March 19th. So let's take a look at the revenue on that day, and you can see that the revenue on that day was the highest of all days, $8, and the monetized playbacks were not that big, but it is the most high earning day because of that CPM being so high. I really want to see how well this video did in the first 7 days from which was posted and in the last 7 days from right now. So this video was posted on January 7th, and then I'm going to look from January 7th to January 15th let's say in the first 7 days of this video being posted, I made $1.44. It makes sense. It only got 339 views. In the last 7 days, the amount of money it made me, $21.39. So what I wanted to do with this comparison is just show you that things will improve, and the very first few days that you post a new video may not be the days that it is also ranking or getting a lot of views, but it gets better. Another thing I really wanted to see, just as for my own experiment, is see how much it took this video to earn $100. So I'm just gonna go and see custom from when it was posted. It took it more than 3 months to earn $100. So it took it 3 months to make me around $100, and then in another month almost it made me $100, as much as it made me in the first 3 months. So again, there's a time that it takes your video to kind of not blow up, but go and rank a little bit more in search, get more traction, get more views. Unless you have a ton of subscribers that are watching your videos, this is gonna happen, and then it is just going to stay on the floating line, making you consistent money. I really want to compare this video right here with another video on the same topic that is about Instagram product tagging, because I want to see if the CPM changed a bit or not. This is a step-by-step tutorial. I have shared another one, but I didn't share that one since I was monetized, so I'm just going to go from the day I was monetized until it gets 40,000 views, another 40,000 views, and for this as well, to see kind of the difference in CPM and in the money it made me. I also want to take a look at the subscribers it got me, each video, and all of that, because I think that's interesting. There are 2 videos on the same exact topic, but this one is ranking higher in search now than the first one I posted. So I really want to see the analytics. Okay, so this other video earned me $400 since published, but again, I was not monetized since it was published. This is interesting to see. So this video that I first posted got me $231, and with 34,000 monetized playbacks, and this got me more money with less monetized playbacks. Interesting. And then another thing that I want to take a look on is CPM. So this one has $14, this one has only $12. This video, since published, about Pinterest VA, it made me $67. And then I have another one that is about Fiverr, and that made me $20 since published, which is interesting. And the CPM is at $14. So again, this is earning a bit less than that. And then I have another video about Instagram product tagging and the errors and fixes, and I want to take a look at that. So this one has 8,000 views, and it made me $47. So yeah, this is how much YouTube paid me for my 40,000 viewed video as a small channel. But again, and my niche is earning a lot more than other niches. I have a bunch of videos that are not performing as well as others CPM wise. It is about the topic of the video and what YouTube decides it should earn more depending on advertisers and things like that. So I hope this video was helpful to kind of understand how much money you can make with a 40,000 viewed video. It really just depends again on the topic of the video, on the CPM you get, on how many monetized playbacks you get, because as you can see, you can have 100k views on a video, but if only 50k of those had ads on them, then that would make you earn a lot less. The problem with this video and why it didn't earn me more, I think it could have earned me double this money if I would have placed another ad in the middle of it, but because this video was only 7 minutes long, I couldn't do that. So this is something I encourage you to do. Make longer videos than 10 minutes. Doesn't hurt anyone. It actually helps people if you give them more value and more information, and it helps you to gain a little bit more income. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, I have a ton more coming for you, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and press that notifications bell to be notified when I upload. If you want, you can also follow me on Instagram. I share motivational tips, quotes, whatever on there, and we can chat every single day on there as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to check out these videos right here if you are interested in watching more from me, and again, don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you in my next one.